Hello guys, it's me and someone else. Here we'll be doing Ankleev, or whatever versus John Jones. Let's see who wins. I am John Jones. My friend is Ankleev. No, I'm gonna knock you out.
Ow.
Yeah, munch on my leg, bro.
Oh yeah, munching this.
Now.
Let him get up.
You munch on this.
No, you munching now.
I'm cooked.
Fight back!
If I can, I'm gonna put you in some mission. No, I will not let this happen. Don't tap, just don't tap, bro. Don't tap. Don't tap.
Yeah.
There we go.
Bro, move out the way. Let's go. Submit him. Bro, submit him.
Get out. Come on, John Jones. There we go.
I'm coming for you! Hadouken!
Huh? What game for?
What are you aiming
Oh, the 7 seconds.
Oh, that one. I'm gonna bat you. Come on. Yeah.
at? Get up.
Get on the floor. Get on the floor. I dare
I'm
you.
trying to kick you there.
Get on the floor.
Come on.
No.
Submit him, bro.
I'll submit you.
Come on, submit him. Get him in submission.
Don't tap out.
Come on. Get him in submission. Nah, if he... Right, come on. Keep... Come on.
Don't tap out. Let's go.
I'm cooked. I need to get out.
Fight back!
Wait, no. I'm in a really good position here.
No, you're not.
Here I am. Oh, damn.
That's what I'm saying. What do you mean, really good position? Where?
And I'm one. Now I've got to try and get my energy stamina back up.
Oh, stamina back up. You don't tell me you love stamina. Damn.
Yeah.
Let him get up. Fight back!
I don't think so. No, I think that's my mum making dinner.
Go. Ooh.
Yes?
Come on. Let him get up.
Oh, the second round.
Let's go.
Let me check how long we've been recording.
Why did you hurt my eye setting?
Oh, this funny shooting.
I'm gonna beat you.
Wait, that might be like class as racist. I don't think we should do that.
Ow.
We shouldn't encourage that though. Come on. Wait, it's not one making dinner. On the pot.
Roll over.
No, don't roll over.
Just roll over.
I don't know which submitting I am. I've worded that wrong.
Take over there.
Oh no. Oh, I need to get out of here.
No, you cannot. No, why am I doing get up? Oh no, that's you.
Bro, get up. Lee, get up, you whale.
No.
I'm up. No, please just get up. Get up, John. There we go.
Oh.
Come on. Battling, come on. Win. Oh, still up, Harvey. No, you're not. We'll do one more fight. I'm Paddy Pimlet. You can be whoever you want to be.
I want to be Paddy Pimlet. I'm the best at him though.
No. I beat you when you was Islam Makachev.
Oh wait, what was that character's name again? Oh, I know who to choose.
I'm still gonna beat you. Win this.
Nah, I'm gonna win this.
No.
Cause isn't this guy good in the air and on the ground?
Pretty sure.
That's what you've told me, so.
I haven't watched any of his fights, so I don't really know, and I haven't looked at any of his stats yet.
So you're trying to get me.
No, not really. I'm not exactly that good on it.
I am though, so I'm trying to get me down. So I'm just hoping yours is too.
Come on.
Like,
by the way, I'm Paddy Pimlet. My friend is Khabib.
get over. In the year. Oh! Paddy Pimlet. Oh, why? Stop blocking! I said stop blocking!
No.
Why? What did I do that's so rude that I did to you? Get on the floor! Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Oh, damn.
Yeah, let's go. Get into it. Let me punch you once. Let me punch you once. Let me do that.
Attacking the wrist.
Roll over, you little doggy.
No. I don't know what that was. I sound like Scooby-Doo on a very certain bad
moving. No,
Come
don't
on.
tap out.
No.
Don't tap out. Yes.
These guys are back. Submission wins this transition.
Ow.
Redness underneath the elbow. Not continue to attack.
Come on. Overhand. Overhand. Oh, damn.
Back and forth we go.
Let's get out.
Let this guy get to
I need to get out. I need to get out the. Damn. Let him do his little dancey dance. After he's nearly just killed a man.
again.
Yeah. I'm knocked out twice now. Right, we're gonna end the video here.